Have you ever spoken to someone and watched their eyes quietly drift while you were still mid-sentence? They're there, physically, but emotionally, they're gone. You feel it, the shift, the polite nods, the distant replies. You keep talking, but inside, something sinks. It's not loud, it's not rude. It's just that aching silence where connection used to live. I used to blame myself. Maybe I was too much, too boring, too emotional. I'd replay every word, trying to find what I did wrong. Then one night, it hit me. I was sharing a story at a small gathering, something simple, something real. Midway through, someone checked their phone and said, "Oh, that reminds me." And just like that, the room turned. No one asked me to finish. No one noticed I hadn't. I laughed it off, but inside, I felt erased. That night, I learned something I'd been avoiding. It's not about talking louder. It's about creating connection, not just communication. So I started watching, listening, not to be heard, but to understand what makes people stay. Here's what I found. 1. The need to be right pushes people away. I thought I was helping when I corrected someone, offering facts or a better version, but it wasn't helpful. It was disconnecting, because people don't remember what you said. They remember how you made them feel. 2. You're not boring. You're just not resonating. If people drift, it's not you. It's the bridge that's missing. The best communicators don't just share, they mirror. They speak so others see themselves inside the story. 3. Silence isn't empty. It's where truth lives. Most people talk to fill space, but those who create space create trust. And trust, that's what keeps people listening. I used to chase attention. Now, I choose intention. Because the real goal isn't just to be heard, it's to make someone feel less alone, because you dared to be real. And that's how you stop being invisible and start becoming unforgettable. Let's keep healing, hustling, and prospering together.